Welcome to DCL Radio. And as a part of my Corona break, I started doing some interviews with my DCL friends. And actually, I started this one as DCL Stars, but my today's guest, Raj Gumbar, asked me to change it to DCL Friends than Stars. So I thought that's a right gesture, so I changed it to DCL Friends. And today I have two important guys in my show. One is Abhishek Penmessa, the other is Raj Gumbar. These two were bitter rivals in what? In mid 2002 till the end of 2000, and it was a great era because Abhi just started in 2005 in GLCC, and as soon as he walked into the team, he stunned DCL with a 50 against the most formidable bowling lineup of Megabytes. So he announced himself as great, and by then an established star was Raj Gumbar. Raj Gumbar used to play for Zups, and their team is known for energy. The most dynamic team in those days is Gumbar. Sometimes, Zups. Sometimes I felt in those days like Zups. If anybody has to beat Zups, they have to beat on their own style. Style in the sense they were so dynamic. They want to attack the ball always, and very flexible fielders. I would say all 11 are Jantis of those days. So, and in that hurriness, sometimes they lost. To show their dynamism, they lost the games. That's how I felt. But it was a bitter rivalry in those days, especially Zups, GLCC, Megabytes, Juggernauts, and that time and new entrant was another team, Brownstone. Okay, with that, let me introduce my buddies here to walk us through the rivalry in those days and to the friendship in GLCC, and especially these two. When these two were going at each other, it was like I'm the one in the middle. I still remember I got crushed by Raj Gumbar. Okay, so with that, let me invite my guests. Welcome to the show, Raj and Abhishek. Raj, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Jagan. Thanks for having me today. You made me nostalgic thinking about Zups now. I didn't think you were going to bring that up, but yeah, that was just a great time. We had great rivalries, like you said, with GLCC, Megabytes, Brownstone, and playing against those teams probably made me as a good player and made us as a good team. So yeah, thank you again.
Okay, welcome to the show, Abhi.
Thank you.
Yep. So yes, Jagan, thank you, Raj. Awesome to chat with you again. So yes, nostalgia, of course. That was a time when we didn't have too many teams in the league, so it was, I would say, very competitive, very personal. Great times, great rivalries. Every game you would play with renewed interest. I'd wake up waiting for the DCL game every week. So great time, and would love to chat about that time.
Okay, so let's quickly get back into that rivalry. When it comes to rivalry, and we definitely have to discuss about the incident between Abhishek Penmessa and Raj Kumar. That's a funny one because entire team, GLCC team was trying to control Abhishek, who is he was animal in those days. Very fit, not like. I was trying to stop Gumbar brothers, actually, not just Raj Gumbar, Gumbar brothers on the other side. Okay, and how do you guys feel today? Like the one you guys last year, I was watching you guys both, opening the innings and complimenting each other, and giving guidance to each other. And when I was watching you both there, happily sharing some moments. And it took me for a while to look at you both and think about, in those days. And I was like, oh man, in those days, cricket, I used to think like, cricket is beyond anything. Okay, beyond anything, cricket. Now, so we are beyond cricket, and we are, a friendship comes first. And cricket has taken, a little slow step. So I want you guys to walk us through that. And I mean, I want you guys to walk us, walk our listeners, what happened in that day, and how do you guys feel today? Okay, I'll start with Abhi. Abhi.
You had to start with me, huh? So go ahead.
Yeah, I think Jagan, I will start and then I'll let Abhishek speak.
Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah. So I think we are playing in Pioneer Park, and playing against GLCC, you just want to give your best. And I think I was bowling very well. I got the ball in 6th or 7th over. I got Manish out, and I had a great plan against Ajay Merchant. For some reason, I had 5 fielders in the leg side, but that guy was not getting out, and I was just getting frustrated. So I just bowled 4th over, and I walked towards the gully region, and Vijay Namburi was sitting there. And Namburi said, "How many overs do you have left?" And I said, "Chup BC." Sorry, but BC, I'm not going to say the full form, but next thing I saw Abhishek climbing the jali. Pioneer Park, there's a jali there. He could have easily walked from the other side, but he was climbing that. I said, and I thought BC is like a national gali in Central India and North India. I thought it's not going to be a big deal. And next thing I saw, teri to, and it just started like that. So now I'll let Abhishek talk about that.
So Jagan, your question was, how do you feel today, right? Very embarrassed, right? But I was coming back to thinking about those days, right? So Raj, Zoops were on a roll at that time, right? They were really, if you think about it, the team to beat. So the way I remember, so you come there, you are anxious to play well, you were doing well, and suddenly once you said that, it was more of a direct reaction of needing to respond, right? Because you had your brother on the leg side, there were quite a few, and Zoops were really aggressive at that point. And GLCC, it's probably has always been the veteran team, right? A lot of people, don't react. I was not very new, maybe an year and a half into the league, but I want people to understand, right? At that time, we used to play a lot of cricket. We used to play Mishka. We used to play DCL. The GLCC equation of the Cricket Ball League happened later. The games in cricket ball used to be, it was not very personal, right? Teams were either too good or teams were rather ordinary. Farmington was a very close-knit team, but T-ball was where you were really passionate. I still remember very quickly switching to just T-ball for any conflict, just because you loved the people you were with. It was intense competition, something I had never fathomed when I moved to Michigan. But again, fully involved, and then the moment completely involved. I think I was going to bat in a little while. I knew it was a close game. I was really angry. And then when I said something to you, I don't know why I was trying to climb the fence, but I could easily do that. I was younger. it was probably just a jump for me at that point. And then that's what I remember exchanging a few words. And Raj was the angry young man at that time. You came towards me. I think your brother was running too. Thankfully, there were people in between to stop us. And when I look back, right, I think the competition was very healthy, and we always had a lot of respect for each other, right? And the point I was trying to make is at that point, I think I probably remember every member of the Zips team, right? This is going back 15 years. It wasn't this big a league. It was very personal. People knew each other. You'd meet outside, but you would fight for everything, in the ground. A score of 50 was defendable, right? I think
absolutely.
I've gone to so many games where 60, and it is so humbling, coming coming from playing at Bloomer where scoring is easy to coming here and not being able to score 5 or 6, right? So yeah, competition. I look back, I think it was passion. I am not proud of those days, but I am glad that DCL gave us a medium to get together and play competitive cricket at that point.
Yep, and Jagan, I want to add, that's why you play sport. You play to compete, you play to win, and I think there was a lot of competition that time. We used to have eight best teams in the league in one group. Just imagine, you have to play 7 games. You have to grind against those teams. You have to defend 50, 55, 60, 65. So sometimes emotions take over you. So
well, from there, let's get into our cooler session. See, I want you guys to introduce yourself to our listeners about your background, in the sense where you're from in India, and if you can explain a little bit about your family, that will be great. I'll start with Raj.
Yeah, Jagan, I grew up in a city called Raipur. It was in Madhya Pradesh, but now it's Chhattisgarh. And I came to US in 2001. I'm happily married. My wife's name is Ruby, and I have 2 kids. One is 7 and one is 5. So I grew up in central India.
Okay, tell a little bit about your brother too, because he played with us, right?
Yeah, he did, and he's in New York right now, and he was way better batsman than me. He was playing at a very high level in India. He was one of my favorite batsmen to watch. I mean, that guy was just amazing. He's married. He has a daughter, and then he's happy right now. So that's good.
Okay, and Abhi.
Yep. So Abhishek Pinmatsa, I have been in Michigan since 2005. I came to the US in 2002 for a master's. My wife Sirisha and I have one son, Aditya. He's 10. So everything's it just feels like a long time that we've been here. Beyond that, I have an interesting background. So I am from Andhra Pradesh. My father is from West Godavari in Andhra Pradesh, but all my life I've lived in West Bengal, in a place called Durgapur. I don't know if anybody knows the place, but my dad worked for Steel Authority of India Limited. So all my life grew up in West Bengal, and then so again by multilingual, I speak Bengali really fluently, and so yeah, grew up in the eastern part of India, and then that's pretty much it. I live here in West Bloomfield. When I came to Michigan in 2005, I was working in California. I never expected to stay here this long, but I have loved the place, loved the people I've met, and feel fortunate to have lived here this long.
Okay, and Raj.
Yes, Jagan.
I want to ask this thing, and before we get into, I always thought you are a Punjabi.
Yes, okay. I am Punjabi. Yes, I'm an Indian. Yes. Now I am American.
No, when you said Madhya Pradesh, I got a little, confused there. Your mother tongue is Punjabi, am I correct?
It's Punjabi, yes. But growing up in Madhya Pradesh, you only speak one language, that's Hindi. Okay. But I know I can speak Punjabi very fluently. But when parents used to talk in Punjabi, I always responded in Hindi. I grew up in boarding school, Jagan. So Hindi was my mother tongue.
Okay, cool. Now let's get into some entertainment. Okay, I'm going to ask you guys about your favorite movies, favorite song, favorite hero, favorite heroine, and of course. And I know Abhishek has too many favorite heroines, but I'll start with I'll start with Raj. Raj, if you have to pick one favorite movie, what is it?
Jagan, there is quite a few, but one movie I watch again and again is Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara.
Zindagi Na Milegi.
I never get bored from where if I start like half an hour from the movie, 1 hour, I just love that movie.
Okay, good. So how about you, Abhi?
So again, I'll always give the Hindi and Telugu. And in Hindi, the movie I go to is Andaz Apna Apna. Whenever I see it, whenever I love to see it, I never get bored of it. in Telugu there's a movie called Shanak Shanam that it's a great movie. So those are the two movies I will go watch any day, anytime, and not feel bored.
Okay, cool. Raj, your favorite song?
My favorite song, Jagan. I hope you're not gonna make me sing, right?
Let's see.
My favorite song. I have a few favorite songs, but one song I really like is "मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया."
Which movie?
It's the song I really love.
Which movie?
It's called "मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया." The song.
Okay. Abhi, what's your favorite
song? It's a song called Pehla Nasha from Jo Jeeta Wahi Sikandar. I love that song.
And I love that.
I was just thinking,
you gotta sing that song, Abhishek.
No skills, Raj. Only screaming when I was younger. There's no other skills.
Well, you can sing. You know, if you guys want, you guys can sing. You know, this is the moment for you guys. You know.
No.
Let GLCC worry about the suffering part. Okay, you guys are free to sing now. Okay.
Good, Jagan.
So who is singing now? Nobody?
I'm good, Jagan.
Okay, let's get into favorite hero. Raj, who is your favorite hero?
Favorite hero. In Hollywood, Jagan, I really like Tom Hanks movies. I'm not a hero worshipper, but I really, really like his movies. Forrest Gump or Castaway or Terminal, I just love him. And then in Bollywood, I like Abhay Deol's movie a lot, and I like Vinay Pathak now a lot.
Vinay Pathak, okay.
Yes, I just really enjoy his movies.
Okay. How about you, Abhi?
Raj, maybe Hollywood ka answer dunga. I love Denzel Washington all time. Probably watched all his movies. Can watch them again. In Hindi, I think I follow a lot of Ajay Devgan movies. I've kind of seen him grow as an actor, and I like how he works his way through movies. So that's it.
Okay, you guys have to talk a little bit louder. Even I can't hear what Abhi is saying.
Sure.
And
as a day.
Yeah, go ahead.
No, go ahead.
No, now let's get into interesting part. Okay, favorite heroine, Raj.
Favorite heroine, Jagan. In Hindi, I really like Alia Bhatt now. I think I just love her acting.
I want some statement. You love Alia Bhatt. I
don't. I think I love her acting. I saw a couple of movies. It was so natural. I just love it. And here I loved Julia Roberts all the time. There's no comparison of Julia Roberts.
Interesting. Okay. So, all-time favorite?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, you never liked anybody before Alia Bhatt?
I did, but I think as the time goes by, you got to change yourself, Jagan. As the time goes by, so.
I know you got to upgrade yourself, huh?
Exactly.
Okay, Abhi.
Sonali Bendre, always since she started in movies.
Yeah, Sonali Bendre. Yeah, awesome. Go. Okay, now see. Let's quickly get into some music. I'll play the song, and I want you guys to predict the song. And if you guys can sing, that will be great, because I'm sure you guys might have listened last week's show, and Akash never allowed me to complete the song. My aim is to put at least 30 seconds of the song, so that you'll pick something out of that and you'll sing the song. And Akash, as soon as I started, Akash was like, Jagan bhai, mai pakad liya. So I want you guys want to I want you guys to pick this song. Okay, let me start with my first song of the night. For this particular song is in Telugu as well as in Hindi. So Raj, I want you to pick Hindi, And
Okay.
and no, I'm
Thank you, Jagan. Yeah. Okay.
not, don't worry. Okay, I'm not going to harass you now. One second, I'm playing the first song, and Abhi, you have to say pick this one in Telugu.
Okay, I'll try.
This is for Abhishek or for me? अभिषेक तेरे लिए है यार ये.
यार इतना अच्छे से सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है. मतलब is it at my end?
No, it's my end too. Dude, Gagan, I got it. Jagan, I got it. I got it. चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को, नजर नहीं चुराना सनम, बदल के मेरी तुम जिंदगानी, कहीं बदल ना जाना सनम.
Fantastic. You said you know you're not a singer, but you're really singing good. Abhi,
Thank you, Jagan.
Abhi, can you say the Telugu version of this one?
I have no clue, Jagan. I know Churaliya really well, but I have no clue.
Really?
What is the Telugu version? And Jagan, volume wasn't.
Navali manasu jaganavalape nindalile. That is Telugu.
Nice, Jagan. I got a request from your old friend to sing it. So please sing the whole song, and
No.
Abhishek from you too.
Okay, let me see this song. Second song for Abhi. Abhi, you have ready. This one is Telugu. Okay.
Okay.
And Raj, if you think you know this song, you can sing too. Not at all a
Okay.
problem. Okay. See,
Yeah.
first choice goes to Abhi. Wait a second.
जगन कौन से जमाने का गाना है यार ये?
When I was a kid. But अच्छा song है. This is a super hit song in Telugu, and
Somebody has to sing it, right?
hey, where is Abhi?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can
you?
No, I can't, Jagan. But I know E. Jeevitam, that song. I just can't sing it. So go ahead, Jagan.
Mate Man.
Jagan, no, this is not fair, Jagan. Abhishek has to sing it.
No. Now, Zips are winning right now.
Come on, Abhishek, you gotta sing it, man.
Yeah, I have no clue.
You have no clue about this?
But I've heard this song, Jagan. I know, but I can't sing it.
Really?
But yeah, the music too I've heard, but I can't sing it. The lyrics, no idea.
Oh my God! This is a super hit song in Telugu, and it's evergreen romantic song. Now let me play that. Okay.
Yep.
Shatamanam bhavati shatayo purushashatendriya ayushevendriya pratitishthati.
మనసే బంధము ఈ మమతే ఈ సమతే మంగళవాద్యము ఇది కళ్యాణ.
Go to the second song. That is Ilayaraja's best song. Okay, let me get to the second song for Raja. This again. This song is in Telugu as well as in Hindi. Okay, Raja, this is for you.
Yes, I'm here. Okay, I got it, Jagan.
राज ये मैं गा लूंगा. दिल खिले
और जीने को क्या चाहिए. अरे कोई तो गाओ साथ में यार.
ना हो तू उदास मेरे पास
दिल के पास
मैं रहूंगा जिंदगी भर. सारे संसार का प्यार मैंने तुझी में पाया.
तू मिले दिल खिले और जीने को क्या चाहिए. That was 2009 movie. तुम मिले.
Okay, say Telugu song.
Jagan, I can't. No idea.
You should ask your wife at least now. Okay. It's a fantastic song. Telusa
Manasa. Yeah.
Yena
Lyrics.
Bandamo. That's okay. Okay. So, and the next song for you, Abhi. I mean, you should predict this one. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Abhi.
Jagan, the feels very familiar, but no, I don't know the lyrics.
Come on.
But I've heard. I mean, it's very familiar music.
अभिषेक कोई भी गाना गा दे तू अपने पसंद का यार.
कुछ भी गाना पड़ेगा. इतना मुश्किल होगा मुझे पता नहीं था.
Okay. Inkem Kawale. Do you know? Yeah.
That it's a movie. You know, it's a very recent movie, right?
Yeah.
The Vijay Deverakonda and whatever Rashmika's movie, but I can't sing it.
Okay. I think you both can. It's also in Telugu as well as in Hindi, and I'm sure Raj will pick it up very quickly. And Abhi, try it in Telugu. Okay.
Okay.
Now Raj is leading 3-0.
Yes.
Sure.
Okay.
Let's make it 4-0, Jagan. साथिया तूने क्या किया, आगे मुझे थोड़ा पता नहीं जगन. Somebody has to help me in this one, you know.
Whatever, साथिया ये तूने क्या किया?
That's
Jagan,
the movie song.
Telugu.
Jagan, I should get partial point, but in Telugu this is the O Prema song.
Prema.
Yes.
I think it was a Bala Subramaniam song,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Initially,
Yeah.
it was taken in Telugu, and after that remade in Hindi with
इतना करो ना मुझे प्यार. हाँ, yes. इतना करो ना मुझे प्यार, मैंने किया तेरा इंतजार. I think that's how it is. Yeah.
Yep.
In Telugu also it is very ఈనాడే ఏదో అయింది ఏనాడు నాలో జరగంది ఈ అనుభవం మరలా రానిది ఆనంద రాగం మోగింది. Okay, so the next one for Abhi, this is a very, very easy one.
Yep.
Okay, ready?
Yep, ready. Abaniti.
Okay, Abhi.
The lyrics, but Rangama, that song, Jagan.
Rangama song. This is
Rangama, yes.
good. Okay, Raj, next song for
अरे
you.
एक point मिल गया.
Yeah, 4-1,
Take a
Raj.
point.
4-1.
But you know, Abhishek, you have a long way to catch up, man. Come on, you gotta sing a song.
Gaya, the next one, the Hindi one, I'll catch and sing.
One is Hindi one. Okay. I think you both can easily pick this song.
Chandani. It's a Chandani song. I know that.
हाँ, yes. तेरे मेरे होठों
तेरे
पर
होठों पे
मीठे मीठे गीत बितवा, आगे आगे चले हम, पीछे पीछे मीत मितवा. Raj,
Hey, who gets the point? Abhi or Raj?
hey Raj, I got these points.
Yes, you got the point. But you have to sing the next two lines, Abhishek, to get the point.
दो लाइन बहुत है भाई.
पहले पहले प्यार की पहली रात याद रहेगी. I think that was it, but that's okay. Yeah.
See,
Cool.
See, Pradeep just sent a text saying that Abhi, you are as bad as me.
No, that to Pradeep's level, no. I'm sure Pradeep couldn't say any song, English or Hindi or any other language.
I see. I really waiting for him to come on to the show. You know, I really want to test his skills on.
Let's get him. Let's get him. Yes.
So
let's have him sing some Kannada song.
Yeah, Kannada.
You need to
All Kannada old for him. I know he likes all 50+ songs.
Yeah. You need to test how Indian he is, then test how Kannada he is, everything.
Exactly, and then I'm going to test him with his Hindi skills also. Okay, I'll make him speak in Hindi so that nobody will understand.
He knows only one word in Hindi, budde. That's it.
Budde, khale yaar, khale. Okay, the next song, The next song goes to Abhi. Okay.
Ginny, I wish.
ये तो अंग्रेजी गाना था भाई.
Abhi.
Jagan, no idea. I'll pass. Raj, kuch karo.
Yeah, that's a Telugu song, Abhishek.
Raj,
Jagan,
you can try.
But that's a Telugu song. No, I don't know, Jagan. I really don't know.
Okay, it's basically super hit song. Rajinikanth's Ra Ra.
Exactly. I was close.
It's Chandramukhi. Famous.
okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. Last song to you, Raj. Right now you are leading. Okay.
Yes.
But I think you both can easily pick this song.
Oh, Ashiki. कि माँ, oh sorry, दिल है कि मानता नहीं, sorry, दिल है कि मानता नहीं. तो दिल है कि मानता नहीं, मुश्किल बड़ी है, रस्म मोहब्बत ये जानता ही नहीं. हो दिल है कि मानता नहीं,
ये बेकरारी क्यों हो रही
है, ये जानता ही नहीं. दिल है
के मानता
नहीं. ये तो लोगों को टॉर्चर हो गया. पीपल मेरी
कोई
आवाज
बात
सुन के.
Good. Finally, you both are singing. That's what matters. Okay.
Jagan, it's 10 o'clock in Michigan. What do you think? Abhishek will sing it more and more now.
Okay. The last song that
One more peg down.
Okay.
Right.
After this song, we'll get into your cricketing. DCL interest. Okay. Who is your favorite DCL player? Who's your, favorite GLCC player, like that. I know that's the last segment of this one. This is the last song. Goes to Abhi. Okay. And this is Samish favorite song, though it is in Telugu and Tamil, but this is Samish favorite song. Okay. Listen to it.
Abhishek, if you don't guess this, you're not gonna open next year. So
He'll
be careful.
be water boy.
Yes.
Water boy already. This is retirement phase.
Okay. Okay, Abhi.
Jagan, it was a beautiful song, and I have no clue what it was.
Last year or year before, it was somebody sang this one in DCL Night 2. Kanmani anboda kadalanna niludum kalidame. That is Tamil. Okay. Telugu, I'm thinking. Even the wordings, Telugu wordings.
Yeah, how does Samish know this? To London में पैदा हुआ था.
That you have to ask Samish. Samish, sometimes more than a song, I know what he likes. So
I'm sure.
Okay, with that, let's conclude our music thing here, and let's get into our cricket. Quick questions. Who is your favorite GLCC? I should ask Raj first. Raj, Zips player, and then you can mention GLCC also.
Jagan, Zips was like a family. You know that, right? It was just a close knit 12, 13 players. Love all of them, but one player, if I have to pick, I'll pick Shehzad. He plays for Brownstone. I'm pretty sure you know that.
Yeah.
I do, Raj.
Yeah, Shehzad became a family. He used to hang out with us so much. He was a good player, and so many good memories with Shehzad, to be honest.
In fact, Raj, I saw him this year too, and then a lot of you went to school together, right?
Yes, and whenever we played against each other before the game, we give a little high five or something. It's just a kind of gesture, It was just close knit. Zips was close knit.
But and then Shehzad, for some time, he played for Farmington Hills in the Cricket World League too. I think a few games, at least a season he played with us. So.
Yep. Even though he's from different country, but he just became a family very, very quick. From GLCC, Jagan, GLCC was just a great team. I just have to, in fact, it is a great team, but I have to pick two bowlers. I'll pick. One is Namburi, and one is Samish. And if I have to pick on the skill level, right, I'll pick Samish. But passion and know about the game, the knowledge about the game, you have to give it to Namburi. I never lost respect for that guy, to be honest. Just amazing. He just brought so much energy on the field, and he was a great competitor too. So I have to give it to between Namburi and Samish. And batsman, if I have to pick, I'll pick Ashraf. You know that, right? There is no doubt about that.
Okay, Abhi, your turn.
Yeah, so GLCC has been my team from the day a week after I came to Michigan. So a lot of good memories, a lot of great people. I would echo. I give Samish a lot of grief during the game, but he's a great cricketing mind.
Yep.
He is a great captain. He balances his personal relationships with the game. His commitment is probably one of the Jagan, your commitment, Ashraf's commitment, all of Pradeep's commitment, all is the reasons we've continued to play as a team for this long. So no, immense respect, just like Raj, you say, for Samish. The way he plans, the way he executes, the way he bowls, I don't believe people have yet quite understood or picked him up. There's a reason why he gets a lot of wickets every season. So favorite, although I wouldn't say it again. I give him a lot of grief on the ground. And batting, I think, I don't know, people haven't seen Ashraf. The two names, right? People haven't seen Ashraf play in his GDCC days. He was always very complete, very, very, very solid. The way you could always depend on him in the middle order, and even today, he's a great player. So absolutely good memories with all of them.
Yeah, and Jagan, Samish, the way he bowls, I have watched him very closely, last year. What he does and how he bowls to the left-handers is just amazing. how he uses the crease. I practiced with him a couple of times. I watched him, and I think skill level is just amazing, Samish. No doubt about that.
And Jagan, interestingly, this season, the one person who sometimes kind of reminded me about the way Samish used to bowl was Sai Kiran. The way he would try to get that. I guess the movement of the ball. He kind of reminded me of Samish. That was when I was batting this year, and it flashed in my memory right now.
Nice observation. Even I felt the same way. Yeah.
But Sai Kiran was a little bit faster than Samish, though. No, seriously, he was faster, and he used to go for a lot of runs than Samish, though.
But see, Samish is more athletic than Sai Kiran. At least that's what I feel. You haven't.
He only took one good catch. Come on, Jagan. Don't say that. Don't say that.
No.
Don't say that. Please, Jagan. Please.
Taken off Srinu Koteru, especially Srinu Koteru when he was bowling. Samish used to be in slips, and only I know how amazing they used to be. Okay, because I'm the one who watched all the games very closely, right? So, and see, for me, the best fielder in our team is Ajay Marchant. He has taken some blinders, and probably I haven't seen such a player. Such a fielder, especially. He's a great fielder. Covers mein to he's amazing. I have seen him taking some blunders,
good catches,
some blinders, and the next best fielder I have seen is Rahul in our team. Okay, and now he's in India, but he's the best. That's what I feel, at least. Okay, and what else? That's it. Okay, then let's get into our last segment. Your favorite players in DCL, Raj.
In DCL, Jagan, I have it's very unfair if I just pick one player, but there are 2 or 3 players I want to mention. One is Vinod Singh. I'm pretty sure you know him very well. He was just a brilliant cricketer. I wish I would have played with him. I don't know if I would be able to, but I just loved Vinod Singh's persona on the field. And I liked Funny's batting. Funny Gundam-Raj, I played with him. I played against him. And then, there's so many players. As I said, Parthiv is there and Vanghera is there. But Vinod Singh just stood out,
Fantastic. Abhi.
Yep. So, again, a lot of people who have been great over the years and we've enjoyed playing with. Some specific mentions, people who I'm really impressed with. One is Kishan. Kishan now, former Bridges, now Glads. I was always amazed with how poised he is, how focused he is, how well he reads and controls the game. So, again, love playing with him. Parthiv, of course, always, enjoyed playing with them, even though he's given us some very sad moments in the game. He's run through our lineup multiple times. But so definitely Parthiv's worth a mention over the years. I think that'd be it. At least those 2 people are definitely people that I've always enjoyed playing with. And
Jagan,
and
Kishan
of course,
was very fair. Kishan was very fair captain and very fair captain.
Yeah, and then another name I'll always mention is Venu. Jagan, we've had a lot of history with Venu. He played DCL. He didn't play with us initially, but in Farmington we used to open together. Again, great left-hand bat, an amazing bowler, amazing person. So always enjoyed playing with him too.
Okay, before I come back to you guys to close for closing statements, I want to. So, because we are talking about fielding, there was one game I still remember between GLCC and Zups. Okay, I used to always square leg, right? So Saxena,
what was his
said before?
Who sent this message to you, Jagan?
See, he was giving suggestions to his batsmen. Hit towards Jagan and run. He can't pick the ball. So Satish immediately changed me and he put me in the forward short leg. and I ended up taking 4 catches that day.
Hey, Jagan, so he put you there and he sent me back, if you remember.
So I remember that one, and with that, I'll come back to you guys for your last statements, and if possible, you guys do this one in English as well as in your mother tongue. Okay, I'll go to Raj.
About what?
Closing statements.
Closing. All I can say, we had such a great rivalry, but one thing I want to add, I never lost respect for anybody as a player, so be it Abhishek or Namburi or Samish or, I played against Megabytes, I think Megabytes was the greatest team and just amazing. And at the end, all I can say is, guys, stay safe. A lot of people died. I feel bad for everybody. And we are in tough times, and I hope just we can get through this together. That's it. Thank you.
Abhi. And
Okay.
Hindi में भी बोलना है.
Oh, bilkul. So I'll start with
Wait,
my
Abhi.
mother tongue.
Let Raj
Yeah.
finish in Hindi.
Yeah, Raj, go ahead, Hindi.
हिंदी में यही बोलूंगा यार कि जो भी गेम के बीच में होता है आप एक रीजन के कारण गेम को खेलते हो. आप compete करने के कारण आप हारो जीतो, यू शेक हैंड्स और आप बाहर जाते हो, उसी को बियर के साथ में भूल जाते हो आप. और जो भी हुआ गेम के बीच में हुआ, नथिंग पर्सनल, नथिंग और जो भी ये चल रहा है अभी COVID-19 एंड कोरोना वायरस, मुझे बहुत ही दुख होता है एवरी डे व्हेन आई सी द नंबर्स. टुडे 79,000 लोग मर गए हैं अभी तक. और मैं चाहता हूँ कि जल्दी से जल्दी ये खत्म हो जाए और साथ में हम फिर से क्रिकेट खेलें और फिर से हंसें और फिर से पार्टी करें. धन्यवाद.
Abhi, now English and then in Bengali, okay?
Absolutely. Who will understand Bengali? But I'll definitely do it.
Yeah.
So cricket is probably the only passion I have in life. I watch every ball, even if it is till 7 a.m. in the morning before I go to work. I have probably not missed any series unless it is for work. Thank you for everyone in the league for allowing us to extend our careers, follow our passion, make great friends, spend the summers doing something that I really love doing. Probably the only thing I love doing outside, normal stuff. So thank you for all the memories. Thank you for, everything. Jagan committee, a lot of work goes into running this league. So absolutely a huge thank you, and please stay safe. I'm really sad, Raj. A couple of things also. There's no cricket this season, probably. I hope something changes miraculously, but it's the first time in all these years where I won't, have a cricket league to follow or to play around with. So, but yeah, great memories. I am so grateful to everyone who runs this league, who works to it, everybody who plays here. I mean, we all have amazing individuals, great spirit, and let's keep this going.
Thank you, Raj, and thank you, Abhi. And it's always wonderful to be with you guys because I personally like Raj Kumar a lot. And
thank you, Jagan.
And Abhishek is one of my favorite batsmen, and he's one of my favorite friend too. And I make a lot of jokes, and he cracks a lot of jokes. So we're all family, and it's a great pleasure to bring you both together and think about those great days and once again thank you both of you. And with that,
yep. And then Jagan, I just want to say, Raj, thank you for a great season. It was so awesome batting with you, playing with you. All these years have been amazing. Yep. Thank you.
We had great time. And Jagan, next time you're going to talk about your leg spinner, okay?
and
down the wicket,
Jagan,
that too.
Then Jagan, thank you for everything. You've been an amazing friend over the years. So thank you, and thank you for doing this. It brings all the memories back together. Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Good night.
Thanks.
Good night. Good night, everyone. Thank you.